Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. From today's video, we are starting what are operators in Python. So the first operator we are going to see in Python is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator are very much similar to you and you have used them too much like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation and so on. So these are the operators listed over here and these are the work done by them, and it is very easy to understand. The plus operator is used for addition, minus operator is used for subtraction, the asterisk operator is used for multiplication, oblique operator is used for division, percentage operator is used for modulus, and double asterisk is used for exponentiation. So we have seen these operators now. We will try to practically use them. So A will assign two values in the variable, like A is equals to 20 and B is equals to 10. Now we will print A plus B. Now similarly we will print A minus B, A into B, A divided by B, A exponent B and A modulus B. So we will change the sign. A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A divided by B, A mod B and A exponent B. So we will try to run this program. So after running this program, we are getting the output as A plus B, that is addition of A and B is 30, subtraction of A and B is 10, multiplication of A and B is 200, division of A and B is 2, modulus of A and B is 0, and exponent of A and B is 1024000. So I hope you are clear with the topic of arithmetic operators. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for our next videos.